Welcome into episode 102 of Inside 300, catching you up on Disney Park news in just 300 seconds. I'm your host, Brian Perry. The Disney video that has taken the world by storm over the last few days has, of course, had many people split on the incident. In case you missed it, here's the full 21-second clip.
Yes, that's great, but over here she's gonna be even better.
Now, at first, many people were fuming at the video that took place overseas at Disneyland Paris. Why would a Disney cast member step in between a proposal and essentially ruin one of the biggest moments of either of these guests' lives? A few folks came to the defense of the cast member after noting that the proposal took place in a non-public area. In fact, on a stage that is exclusively used for performances. To give you a comparison, it's as if someone went onto the castle stage at the Magic Kingdom, which of course is roped off. Though the handling of the situation by the cast member is what has many people fuming. According to the gentleman who was down on one knee, who goes by the name of Auntie, he whispered into another employee's ear asking for permission. Disneyland Paris has not confirmed that this was the case, but in a statement issued by Disney headquarters in California, the company said it regretted how the situation had been handled. We have offered our sincere apologies to the couple concerned, and we will do everything we can to make this up to them. According to Auntie, Disney ended up offering the couple a pair of nights at the Disney hotel of their choosing, along with a free weekend at the park. I don't want to visit Disneyland anymore, he said. They can't give us the moment back, and that's the only thing I want, to get a second chance. So now with all of that digested, what do you think the truth was, and how could it have been handled differently? Let us know in the comments below. Another viral video on TikTok shows the sheer idiocracy some people go through for their 15 seconds of fame. A guest at Disneyland showed off this lovely video of them sticking their leg out of a Splash Mountain log and cooling off in the rolling rivers of Critter Country. This right here amassed 2.4 million views on TikTok. Here's a reminder of what the safety spiel says.
Your safety should stay seated. Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log.
Look, just keep them in the log, all right? Or you might not have them anymore for your future rides. The brand new and reimagined Finding Nemo musical is set to debut next week. Disney has released showtimes for Finding Nemo, The Big Blue and Beyond at Animal Kingdom. Beginning June 13th, the show will be performed 6 times a day, with performances at 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 2:30, 3:30, and 4:30. The Special Olympics are taking place down in Florida for the first time in 50 years, and Disney is celebrating by hosting many of the athletes in a small parade at the Magic Kingdom. Over 5,500 coaches and athletes are participating, with the majority of the competitions taking place at the ESPN Wide World of Sports complex. You can check out the awesome coverage on both ABC and the ESPN family of networks. Minnie Vans service is returning to Walt Disney World this summer. The transportation, operated by Lyft, will be back in service beginning June 29th. Guests can get scooped up by one of the vehicles resembling Minnie's iconic outfit by utilizing the Lyft app while on Walt Disney World property. And finally, it is time for this day in Disney history. Back just 3 years ago, in order to promote their upcoming film Toy Story 4, voice actors Tim Allen, Tom Hanks, Annie Potts, Keanu Reeves, and Keegan-Michael Key all descended upon the recently opened Toy Story Land at Hollywood Studios. The movie would go on to premiere throughout the country just 2 weeks later, on June the 21st.
And that's going to do it for this episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. I've been your host, Brian Perry. I'll see you next time. And, as always,
Bye-bye.